another video. They are washing Jason Young's car. Good thing your last name.
I can't either.
There's only. Oh.
That's my wife's, you know.
The proletariat has crumbled. The internet is the new corporate network. How do you secure a network you don't have?
And here's our washing team. We have a washing team, and then we have a drying team. So our drying team is over here. And they have been pretty picky about whether they're washed or not. Brian, you're on the drying team. What do you have to say?
I have to say this is the best job of it all. I was a smart man when I chose this one.
And we have Tammy and Beth. They have been making sure those cars are really clean. That's right.
We're sending them back.
Yeah, sending them back. There's Joe Zugmeyer. He's from Fort Collins. No, Lincoln. Lincoln.
Lincoln. Joe's got to go get on a plane. Lincoln.
All right. You've been relieved, Joe.
Being recorded.